Omi, so what should be in maternity bag और आपका अगर आप 9th month है and you're preparing for maternity bag or maternity kit for yourself or your baby, what should be there, what should not be there, let's discuss everything. So if you are in your final trimester जो थिंग आती है प्लानिंग तो काफ़ी स्टार्टिंग से स्टार्ट हो जाती है, मगर जो फाइनल ट्रिमेस्टर में आता है कि what should be in our maternity bag, how we should be prepared. So 9th month के 10-12 days निकलते हैं and everyone has the same situation like me that आपको prepare करना है and all. If I'll share the thing from my first delivery, that was normal delivery and it was very easy. It was very comfortable. I was very active that time and everything was very good. So I didn't have so much burden because first me you don't know much about, right? You google everything, you search so many things, but in second you will be very master in this thing, that what you have to take and what you not have to take. So there's a list, checklist must check कि एक bag prepare करिए with your old feeding gowns, okay, that you can dispose also, maternity pads, then some chunnis. When you feeding then you need to be little careful, and comb your kid for getting ready. Well, you will not get so much time for getting ready and all. Simply things, moisturizer, creams, sanitizer, cotton wipes, okay, and the dress which you will be wearing when you come home or you go there. So make sure about that also. And most importantly, the kids bag is very important, that it has all the kids important clothes, nappies, wipes, and everything would be there, like उड़ाने का, बिछाने का, plastic, and whatever things you can have this baby bags and all to cradle itself. बहुत important है ये सब चीज़ें. डेटोल एक अपने साथ होना चाहिए. एंड यू हैव टू बी वेरी पर्टिकुलर अबाउट स्मॉल स्मॉल थिंग्स. ये क्या होता है, इफ़ यू आर इन लोकल देन यू कैन गो एंड यू कैन tell your husband or mother-in-law or anyone can bring this particular stuff. But if you are going outside or something, some nearby place for this delivery and all thing, then you need to be very careful. You have to pick up everything and everything important, so that you don't have to be like worried about that I don't have this and I don't have that. So these are the things that you need to carry with yourself. This is small checklist. If you want a detailed video in my normal delivery, how was it, and now for my next delivery also, what it's going to be, what are the symptoms and everything, then you can just comment down and we can discuss that in a longer video, next video. So, and I don't know when I'm in this week or other week I'm gonna deliver. So I make sure I'll share all my experience with you, so that you can it would be helpful for you guys also, and it will give you motivation also, that don't worry. And those who are very worried about that, if they fail in 9th month pregnancy, or they fall down or something like that, then please comment down, because I've experienced the same thing. I really want to share with you, Olga, if you want that particular information. So yeah, bye mommies.